SICK is showcasing its newest algorithm for its bin picking camera systems. It is Delocate. It is a deep learning algorithm, especially useful for doing order commissioning, where you may have a automated retrieval system and fulfilling kits or orders. It is also very useful for doing depalletizing operations, where we may have the pallets have become disoriented or mixed SKUs. This is among the other 7 algorithms that SICK has, which include edge algorithms, geometric algorithms, CAD algorithms, and such, which allows us to provide you with a solution that meets your application rather than trying to fit your application into a single solution. All the applications are solved with the same software. So we have over 200 out-of-the-box configurations that are easy to use.